Are you familiar with that term? No.
So, you cannot go along. So, let's try to do the procedure in your phone. Okay, sir? So, I will ask you to unplug the power cord of the motor. Just unplug the power cord of the motor. Okay, once you unplug the power cord of the modem, then go to your computer and please shut down or turn off the computer.
Pero, Joy, kung yun nga yung rason, I think it's a little bit shallow.
Bakit?
Kasi kung yun ang rason, ano no, kung KPI, kaya ko pang tanggapin. Pero if that's the only reason it's too shallow, kasi hindi lang ako. Hindi.
Oh, you already unplugged it.
Have faith pa.
Na,
Kailan sinabi?
Kanina. Gusto ko lang naman.
Nagkapel ba?
Yes, sir.
Wala pa, hinihintay pa daw yung sulat.
For the router, leave
I
it
don't know.
unplugged for 1 more minute.
I'm lost right now. I just wanna go home. Yun nga gusto kong gawin yun.
You wanna go home?
Yeah, I just wanna go home.
I'm afraid you have to
Yun lang ang
remove
gusto kong
the
gawin.
battery from
So the computer shut down. Okay, we're gonna give it 30 seconds before we start it up. I'm gonna time you for this one, then tell you when to turn it on, okay? Okay, thank you. Wala lang, George.
Ha?
Wala lang. I'm at lost right now. Hindi ko alam kung
Kahit na may babaeng dumaan dyan, hindi ko ma-inspire.
wala lang. I just wanna rest. Gusto ko nga, makipunta ako girlfriend ko. Kasi pag masama ang loob ko, kung ba ang problema ako, doon lang ako lumalapit. Okay naman ako. Sabi nga ng girlfriend ko.
Tanga na, Roy, parang teary-eyed ka na.
Tangina, sino ba hindi magiging teary-eyed pa? Ang daming umaasa sa akin. Kaya, never mind. Gago. Gusto ko magwala, pero...
Sigurado ako.
Kahala nyo. Gusto ko na umuwi, gusto ko matulog, gusto ko mag-isip. Gusto ko mag-print ng resume ko.
Pati ka na mag-print?
Yes, you may plug now the power cord of the modem. I do apologize on that one, sir. So plug the modem and wait for all the lights in the modem to be lit.